Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you have a SharePoint Online site URL, the exact list name, and at least read permissions. This avoids permission errors later. Open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then pick SharePoint Online List, paste the site URL, not the list URL, to let Power BI enumerate lists. Authenticate with your organizational account when prompted so Power BI can access the list. Once done, use the Navigator preview to locate and select the target list before loading or transforming the data. After loading the table preview, click Transform Data to open Power Query. This is where you clean and shape the list. Remove unused columns, expand lookup or person columns, and set proper data types so visuals behave predictably. Use filters to limit rows and add calculated columns if you need derived metrics. Make sure to rename columns clearly and consider creating relationships to other tables in the model. Once your queries are stable and performance-friendly, apply changes and load to the Power BI model. Complete the workflow by publishing to Power BI service, then configure scheduled refresh so your report stays current. If your company requires it, install and configure an on-premises data gateway or ensure correct OAuth credentials. Test visuals and cross-check a few rows against SharePoint to confirm accuracy. For large lists, enable incremental refresh to improve performance. If something goes wrong, first re-authenticate your account in the dataset settings. Make sure the site URL and list name didn't change. Those two fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.